Welcome to your laundry, your number one laundry. Oh, the guy means I want to put it before for the washing machine.